Yeah, so Purple World is a utopia where there's no violence, the nature is purple, and your imagination is the only rules we follow. So we started as an AR experience, you guys can check it out on this panel right here, and it makes the greens into purple, so all nature goes into purple. You can pick it up your family, go to a beautiful park, and change the nature around you and dive into this magical world where the nature is purple. Okay, so going next here, we have the Worldwide Impact Wall, and Purple Valley went viral. We already traveled the four corners of the world in over 60 countries, and here I have listed all the countries I already seen connected with the project, and on the right here you can see people from it playing with the AR effects. Here on this wall we have the numbers wall. Yeah, you need to share, you need to play Purple Valley on Singapore and share it so I can have the photo, so I can create the purple card itself and put it on the list. Okay, so going next we have the numbers walls, and we already reached 5 billion impressions, 150 million photos taken with the fact since its release on 2020, and more than 20 million shares. A cool Easter egg, we have 20,000 stories being shared per day on Instagram playing with Purple Valley AR effect, and this leads us on into average 0.2 seconds on the world someone is diving into Purple World on Instagram. So as we speak right now, someone is playing with it. And here we have my main NFT, my only animated one, and my Genesis one. Is still waiting for a bid on Foundation for 1 Ethereum reserve price, and this artwork means a lot to me because this is the next step of the AR effect, and now we can finally dive into Purple World ourselves because all the 5 billion impressions, now we gather so much energy, and that's why we have this bubble on the center. This means the energy from people and our earth, and through the AR experience, through the mobile experience, we are now diving, teleporting into this new world. So this artwork has a lot of social concept behind it, and it travels through the four corners of the world. If you guys check it out, the full artwork, it has that concept. Okay, going next, this is the AR wall, and here we have my mom's picture, and I don't live with her, so we don't have like too much time with her. So she took me on a trip once, and I created this photo, I took this photo, and I really want to create something about it, so this was where everything started. This was the background image for the Purple Valley AR effect, and if you guys want, you can click on it to get the direct link, then share with your mobile so you guys can try the AR effect for yourself. Okay, going next one, here we have God of Art. This is my favorite one, and you can claim a blast from him clicking on the green button. So click on the green button to be gifted with a blast from God of Art, and all your creations and collections will be forever blessed by him.
God of Art is blessing you. Don't be afraid.
I'm going to wait a few minutes so you guys can enjoy the God of Art blessing. Okay, to stop it, you can click on red button.
Now you're reborn.
So going to the next one. Here we have Purple Valley movie. And this is a story about a strange island that came up on Earth. And when people got there, all nature is purple. So they try to cultivate this plant, to study this plant. But when they try to get this plant out of the island, everything goes wrong. So this is a movie I created last year, all using stock footage, chosen one by one to create this history. And I've created an AI children, her name is Abby, and she makes a text-to-speech narrative so you guys can view this story from her eyes. Going to the next one, here we have Purple Valley collectible cards, and each week I'm dropping these cards, and each card it's a unique region inside Purple World. every time that I'm creating these cards, I literally browse to the list of the countries already connected with the project, and I seek inspiration from the photos of real people on these countries playing with the AR effect, so I can reinvent them inside Purple World Fantasy. And each week I'm dropping hard card tools, and these hard cards will give you special perk inside Purple World Domination, my NFT game that is still a work in progress, but it's my next project. So if you guys collect these hard cards, you're going to have special perks inside my NFT game. You're going to be able to trade, earn, lose, and play these cards on this game. Okay, so going to the next, here we have the main wall with all my main links, and you guys can sign the guest book to earn exclusive NFTs, and you guys can hop up on Purple Discord to claim this free wearable. This is the lovely nice purple tree, and you guys can place it on your head, can place it on, as I do, on my lungs, can place on your hands, you know, you can do what else you want with it. Like for example, here I have over my head, so you can place it where you want. I do like as my lungs. But okay, so if you want this purple wearable, you can hop up on Purple Discord and claim it for free. So the next, here on the first step of the stairs, we have 2 plants. If you guys click on these plants, you're going to see that they are interactive ones. So this is a secret puzzle. There is a few interactive plants inside Purple Gallery. If you guys can count how many there are, you guys can come here on secret puzzle form and fill it. If you fill it with the correct answer, you're going to be gifted with exclusive NFTs. So just a quick observation, to interact with the plants and the artworks and the God of Art, you need to be on first mode, so you need first to click on C. So click C on the keyboard to be on first mode, and then interact with these plants to see the secret puzzle. And like I said, you can search for the other interactive ones, so you guys can fill the secret puzzle form and be gifted with exclusive wearables too. Going next, if you guys follow me here on the second floor, on the back of the second floor, we have my Voxel shop. It's my side project. It's here on the back. So all my voxel items are for sale for like 1, 2 pesos, a bunch of them, and they are the best way to combine the metaverse and the real world, because they are all 3D NFTs with immersive AR experience. As you guys can see on this photo here, you can place them on real world, so, and you can use them as metaverse decoration tools. So you can collect them, place on your real world. You can claim the original voxel file to place on your Crypto Voxels plot. So my voxel shop is the best way to combine the metaverse and the real world through the AR experience. And there, you can click on any of these plants to see the whole collection. And like I said, there is a bunch of them for 1, 2 pesos, so feel free to support my work and collect these beautiful voxel trees to place them on real world and your own Crypto Voxels plot. And the last but not least, we are throwing purple parties every Sunday at 1 p.m. PST with DJ live sets and special NFT drops. So feel free to join us and dance with us. You can see the main stage over here, and I've put like Twitch streams, and we do music, and we keep here like dancing. And it's awesome because I'm from Brazil, and here in Brazil we are suffering from pandemic, you know. So this is the best way I can gather all my friends, and we can, you know, like have some chill time, you know. So this is not only just for the artworks and everything about the experience, but to join the community around, and we can hop up on this metaverse, this new digital world, and dance and party, you know. So that's it. This is Purple World. We started as an AR experience, went viral. Even Paris Hilton, Maluma, Chiara Ferragni, Lil Mosey, and a bunch of other celebrities already played with the AR effect. And now we have the voxel shop combining the metaverse and the real world. We have my purple collectible cards on Hiket Nung. I have NFTs on Foundation, Screensaver, NFT Showroom, and Hiket Nung. When are the dance parties? The purple parties are every Sunday at 1 p.m. PST. We are going to purple party number 8 already. So purple party number 8 is going to be Sunday, 1 p.m. PST. Every Sunday we're here throwing the parties. So feel free to join us. Later we can take a picture, of course. Please. please feel free to take a picture and meet, and feel free to socialize with me on my socials, connect with me, and support my work. Like I said, I have NFTs on ETH, Tezos, Matic, Hive, and that's it. Appreciate you guys.
Bye.
Thank you for joining me at this tour, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye!